Welcome back to another exciting AI review. Today we're diving deep into Deepmotion AI, a groundbreaking tool that's turning text and video into stunning 3D animations. Let's get a complete overview of what this platform has to offer in 2025. Deepmotion is an AI-powered motion intelligence company focused on creating digital humans and dynamic 3D animations. Their flagship product, Animate 3D, is the core of their service, allowing you to generate lifelike animations from simple video uploads. Imagine recording a short clip on your phone and transforming it into a professional 3D animation for your game film or metaverse project. That's the power they are offering. The potential applications are massive for game developers, VFX artists, content creators, and anyone in the VR and AR space looking to create realistic avatars and characters without the need for expensive motion capture suits or studios. The website highlights the ease of use and the high fidelity of the animations produced. Let's talk about the positives. The biggest advantage is undoubtedly the accessibility. It democratizes 3D animation, making it available to indie creators and large studios alike. The ability to use simple video from a smartphone is a huge game changer, removing massive technical. Deepmotion offers a tiered pricing structure, starting with a freemium free plan that requires no credit card and provides 3 credits per month with a 10-second clip limit and lowest priority rendering. The paid plans include starter for a base monthly fee, annual billing offering 15 credits, 20-second clips, and low priority. Professional at $39 monthly annual with 400 credits, 120-second clips, and high priority processing. And the top-tier studio plan at $83 monthly annual, which provides 1,000 credits, 360-second clips, highest priority rendering, and includes unlimited projects, characters, and 50 team seats. All paid tiers also list several coming soon features. See you in the next video.